Guys, soon you will hear something special. But now I'm in one of the top of the rooftop of one of the restaurant, one of the best that tourists will be able to eat there and not to run to the toilet every 5 minutes, which is very important, I must say. And soon the people will come. There are a few groups now in Israel, but what I want you to see is the view and then to listen to something special. Then don't go away. It will happen in about 2 minutes, as I believe. What you see here is the two domes of the Church of the Holy Sepulchre, the place that Jesus was crucified, died, buried, and resurrected. Next to it, the tower that you see is a minaret of El Omar Mosque, and the Redeemer Church is right in front of you. And this is the center of Jerusalem. It's unbelievable. It's so tiny, and still there are so many things to see here. The Dome of the Rock is the site of the Jewish temple. And the foundation stone is there, the first rock ever. The creation of the world started from there. So many things happened there, but the most important thing is the house of God. According to the Jews, this is the only place, this is the only house of God. A synagogue, it's not a house of God. Not a house of God. Before that, Abraham almost sacrificed me, Isaac, Zahi, on top of it. And at the background, you can see Mount of Olives with the Ascension Church. To the right, white place here is the Jewish cemetery from the time of King David until now. They believe that they will be the first one who will resurrect. I'm honoring that video to each one of you. But look at the symbol of Jerusalem, the cross of Jerusalem. And this is going to be a surprise, Daniela, from Germany, because Anita, Leonardo, Noah, and Raphael decided to surprise you for Christmas. Jerusalem cross is the best symbol of it, because Jerusalem is the center, and the 4 small crosses are whatever you want, 4 gospels, altogether 5 stigmatas. But the idea is that it's the idea is that Jerusalem is in the center. Then in that case, this is a unique cross for Jerusalem. The domes, here it is. Daniela, for you, I know that you're watching my videos. Is that the only one? No! Guys, he was crucified now. This is the time to pray. It's not the end, there will be more explanation after that. Then you heard the bells and you prayed a little bit. We are at the center of the city. The end of the city, the beginning of the city is from, the Dome of the Rock. Let's go to see the end of the beginning, the other side. In front of you, it's Jaffa Gate. This is the beginning of the city, and you saw how small is the city. The Golden Dome is one of the oldest churches from the Byzantine time, dedicated to Saint John the Baptist. And the skull of Saint John is there as well. I took some videos, but I must say that I took a few videos of it. What you see right there is the Catholic towers of the Christian neighborhood, and we are in a way in the Greek Orthodox neighborhood. And let me show you how you can enjoy it. I'm starving, but I don't want to. They have only few tourists, and I don't want to destroy. I cannot, because of the situation, I cannot buy anything, and it won't let me pay. They need the money more than me. Then in that case, Daniela, let's follow. Let me show you where we are. Then you will be able to reach that place by yourself. If you will ask them, I think it will be okay if you will use the restrooms and watch the view. But if you can, buy excellent falafel or excellent shawarma. And this is the non-air conditioned part, which I prefer, of course, especially in that weather. This is the air conditioned part. And the chef is now dealing with the food. Bye-bye. See you. It's a Muslim restaurant, Palestinian Muslim restaurant, and I'm not Palestinian, I'm from Israel. Hey, Joseph! I'm taking a video of the restaurant that people will come to eat here.
You are welcome anytime.
Bye-bye.
How many persons?
No, I'm alone.
You are welcome.
I already drank. I was in the pool and the roof.
Oh, please.
Bye-bye. They have excellent shawarma, really excellent shawarma, and excellent falafel. It's a little bit empty now, as you can see. They were closed for a few years. Ethiopian monk. Let me show you where it is. I'm sure that some of you, a lot of you, been with me here. I prefer to eat it because I know that it's safe. There are safer places, but not as. It's not true. There are safer places, but I prefer it because of the view. And this is the Morris stand, the center of the place, and let me show you. Here it is, Panoramic Golden City Restaurant. Guys, thank you very much. Daniela, this is only the first video. I'm heading now to the Church of the Holy Sepulchre to bless your cross. I know that you're watching my videos. I'm so happy for that. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.